In this video, we will be covering how to forward your partner phone, your extension to either another extension or to an outside number, say a cell phone. First thing is we need to program a button on your phone to allow you to do forwarding. To do this, you hit Feature 00. You'll see that you're programming extension 11. You program a button with lights. It has to be a button with lights. So let's go ahead and program this button. You see it's blank. Your forwarding feature is feature 11. So hit feature 11. Now that button has a forward on it. We can hit feature 00 to exit out. And you notice that if we press our forward button, up on the screen pops up forward. To forward your extension to another extension, you hit your forward button. You first have to enter in your extension. So we enter in our extension, which is 11, and then we enter the extension we want to forward it to. So let's say we want to forward it back, or forward it to extension 12. So we hit extension 12. And you notice now that our forward button is lit. And on the screen it shows that forward, we're forwarding extension 11 to extension 12. Okay? And you can pick up the phone to get to the main screen. Now to cancel your forwarding, you have to hit your forward button again, hit extension 11, your extension, and then forward it back to yourself. So enter in 11 again. And you'll notice our forward light is off, because we're now extension 11. When somebody dials extension 11, they're going to reach extension 11. Again, pick up the handset to get back to your main screen. Now to forward your extension to an outside number, say a cell phone or another company's name, another company's number or whatever, is a little bit more of a complicated process. What you need to do is forward your extension to a speed dial. We went over how to program a speed dial. We'll go ahead and do it briefly again in this video, because forwarding only allows you to forward to a 2-digit number, which your speed dials are 80 through 99. So that's why you can't just forward extension 11 to a 10-digit number. So first thing you need to do is allow your extension to have remote call forwarding, or what it's called, remote call forwarding. This needs to be done in system administration. To do this, you need to program it from extension 10 or 11. We're at extension 11, so we hit feature 00, hit your left intercom button twice, 1, 2. Notice the screen says system programming. Remote call forwarding is feature or option 322, so you hit pound 322. You see that remote call forwarding comes up on the screen. I want to remote call forward extension 11, so we enter in extension 11. You see by default it's to, not assigned. We want to change that to assigned, so you enter 1 for assigned. So now extension 11 has the capabilities to forward their calls remotely to another number. To exit out of programming, feature 00. Now we need to program speed dial. To program a speed dial at extension 11, which we did before, but we'll show you again in this video, is feature 00 to get into programming extension 11. Your speed dials are 80 to 99, so let's do 80. So you hit feature 80. Right now it's blank. Let's go ahead and enter in Exclutel's main number. So you enter 1708 273 3100. Now our speed dial 80 is set to Exclutel's main number. Feature 00 to exit out of programming. Now you hit our forward button. We want to forward extension 11 to speed dial 80. So forward extension 11, enter in 80. Lift up the handset, go back to your main screen. Now when our forward button is on, if anytime anybody calls extension 11 is forwarded to that speed dial. Again, to cancel forwarding, hit your forward button again, enter in your extension, and then enter in your extension again to cancel forwarding.